In this video, we're gonna create our first Android app, Hello World, and build it, install it on the Android emulator and see how it looks like. Android Studio is getting open now. We have options to choose between either to create a new project or opening an existing one, and we are less bothered about the others for the time being. Let's go for start a new Android Studio project. So we are in the create Android project window now. In application name, enter the name of application we gonna create. For us it is Hello World, and in the company domain name, enter a unique domain name to identify our app in the universe. It's a best practice to enter a domain name that we own so that it will be unique. Then click on next. Then select from which Android version your app is gonna support. That is, look, if we select Marshmallow, our app will support 39% the devices in the market. And if an earlier version is selected, say KitKat, then our app will work on 71% if the device is in the market. So it's our choice to decide the Android version. If we select an earlier version, our supported devices will be more, but the features that can be used in our app will be less. That is, the features introduced in later Android versions we are not gonna use in our app. Suppose if we have any features in our app that is introduced in Android N or later version, then we have to set the Android version to be that. In this case, the app will not run on earlier versions. So it's in our hand to make a good choice. The below checkboxes are for Android, TV, Wear and so on, which we are not bothered about now. Click on next. Now it's time to select the template for our first screen or activity of our application. There are a number of templates out there, but which we will discuss later. Now we select empty activity and click on. Here it's the name of first screen we're gonna see in our app. Let's keep the default names and click finish. So now our Hello World app is being loaded in Android Studio, which will take time depending on the type of machine that we are using. Our application is loaded now, and this is Java folder where all Java code resides, and this is the folder for layouts. We will discuss this in a separate video. I walk in through the Android Studio IDE. In our next video, we will discuss about this. So this XML defines the controls in our screen. Let's open this file, main activity.xml. This is the default view of our screen, and we can see a text with hello world string comes automatically. Let us check where the string is set and change the text. So click on text to see the XML view. Here we will change the word to my hello world and click on the design to see the word has changed actually. Now we are all set with our first app. Now we want to build it and see it how it looks like. So here we are testing it on our Android emulator. So click on AVD manager. This will launch a virtual device setup window. So create new virtual device. From there we have to select a device. From the list we can see Nexus 5, 4. Click on next, and if we have Nugget already downloaded the Android version, so click on next and we will launch this window. So click on finish. So we have the emulated created now. Click on play button. This will launch the emulator for us. So this will take a little bit of time. This is the first launch we are creating the Android device, Android emulator. So this will take up some time to pop up. Okay, now our emulator has launched successfully. So now we'll see how we can build our app and install it in our emulator. So click on the green icon, play icon in from Android Studio. Click on that. So it will list the devices connected. So select the device, click on OK. This will build the Android Studio project and install the APK on our device. So currently Android Studio is building our project. Once the build is successful, the APK will get installed on our Android virtual device. Okay, now the build has succeeded, and the APK is getting installed on our device. Yes, it is. My Hello World, our first Android app is ready here. Yes, that's it for the video. We have done with our first Android app. In the next video, we will see the basic components of Android Studio IDE. We will do a walkthrough through the IDE. If you like my video, please click on the like button and click on subscribe to get notification about the next videos. Thank you.